This is Ali from Portainer, and I'm keen to show you some of the recent changes we've made for the Azure container instance environments. I'm going to go to this one that I've set up and go over some of the main changes we've made. They include giving more options to create container instances, better ways of managing those containers in bulk, and also more power in viewing and troubleshooting these containers. I'll firstly show you some of the extra details that you'll be able to see here in the container list. We've added the resource group the container belongs to, the location it's in, and also the state it has, along with any tags that you might want to specify for it. We'll go first into adding the container, and I'll show you some of the things we've added. So we've firstly added virtual networks, we've added tags, volumes, and GPUs. So I'll get into making this container to show you each one. Firstly, you'll notice that we've detected the locations that some virtual networks are already set up within your subscription and for each location. So down here, you'll see you can now specify tags really easily. And also down here you can see, as well as the default public IP address, you can also specify a private subnet that you've already set up if you like. So I'm going to select one from a team I belong to, and I'll keep that default port there. So down here you can also see two more sections. There's one for mounting Azure file share volumes. So I'll set that up really quick. We'll enter in the details I had before and also a path. And I'll show you the GPU section, but because this environment doesn't have access to use GPUs yet, I won't enable it. So it lets you set the GPU type and the GPU count. One thing that's not new, but I really want to highlight, is access control that Portainer has. So on top of ACI, we're allowing Portainer users to have access to particular Azure containers, similar to what we have in our Docker environments. For example, I just want to give Jane access to this container. And I'm going to deploy it, and we'll check out the details of it to see if it's running, which looks good, and also some other details. So in here, you'll see some of the extra fields that we've had in the form showing, the place it's published, the state, the tags that you've added. There's also quick buttons to stop, restart, and remove it if you want, as well as changing the ownership. And in case there are any issues with your container, for example, an image pull back off or something like this, warning events will show up, and those will actually bubble up to the top to give you, to let you know straight away. It also shows you all these normal events just to check that everything's behaving as normal. So back to the container list. The other big changes we made is allowing you to bulk manage containers. So for example, I want to quickly stop all of them. It's as easy as 2 clicks. If I want to start a few of them again, easy as a couple more. And if I do want to say delete one, yeah, easy as that. So in summary, we've made it more powerful to create containers from Portainer. We allow you to bulk manage, and we also let you troubleshoot and view the details in a much more powerful way. Thank you.